There's two partners. We both own and manage Amour Beauty. We do everything under the moon for beauty. Some skincare, laser, nails, lashes, everything. So microblading is done with a handheld tool where we see each individual hair stroke. However, microblading isn't for everybody. Unfortunately, our industry doesn't explain that enough, right? So microblading is for really just normal skin. And if you like that powdered in look, you'll still have to fill your brows in the evening or when you do your makeup. Whereas Ombre powder brows is for every skin type, still very, very natural. The initial results may be daunting, but they end up being natural, but they're for everybody. And it just gives that really nice powdered finish to your brows and a better shape. So today we're going to spend the initial portion of our appointment, about 20 minutes, just mapping out your shape before we even start. So the initial appointment, we take time, we map out the brows. So we draw brows according to your bone structure. We just don't freehand, and we don't glue a ruler on your head, but we look at your bone structure, we take the time, map it out, draw it out, and then once you and I are both okay with it, we numb you and then we start the procedure. Aftercare is very easy. Right? You have to wash your brows a few times a day, you get it done, and then just have to maintain washing them for about 7 days. Avoid tanning, avoid sweating, and avoid excessive sun. So day one, when I give you the mirror, you're gonna hate them because you'll be very dark and larger than what you're used to. You will love the shape, but you will be very uncomfortable with the end result. Day two, they look even darker, so you're gonna think to yourself, what did I just do, right? And the healing process starts. They'll scab, they'll start cracking a little bit, but once all that is over, they heal to be very, very natural.